How to change your age on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to update your age on Discord. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your browser and search for Discord support. And now on the result page, simply click on the first link. And once you are on the support page, simply find and click on submit a request option. And after that, on the new page, from the drop down menu, simply choose appeal and age update request. And after that, simply enter your email address. And once you're done with that, under the type of question option, simply select update my age information. And after that, in the next box, you need to enter your phone number, but that's totally optional. And once you're done with that, simply provide your date of birth as shown on your government issued ID. Now, fill out the subject and description field explaining about your request and why do you want to change your age. And once you're done with that, simply check the confirmation box to agree with the terms, and once everything is filled out, simply click on submit button. And after that, the Discord support team will review your request, and if further verification is needed, they will reach you out via email. And this process can take a few days, so keep an eye on your email for update. And once approved, you will receive a confirmation email letting you know that your age has been updated. And that's it. That's how you can change your age on Discord. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.